Hipusco Baybay.
Kala Manuel de Fort Saniano, Bunga Baybay.
Cachuela Kashi Ivan Montalban. Poblacion Baybay. Expert Architects. Merida. Poblacion Baybay.
Irving Chanel Almonia, Caripa Baybay.
Sentido Lag Matthew Victualia. Poblacion Baybay.
Laguna Ray Francis Tanay, Poblacion Baybay.
Dalano Gerald Dolino. Poblacion Baybay.
Mahipos Joven Vincent Bagarino, Hipusco Baybay.
Estrada Lance Magics. Honorio. Poblacion Baybay.
Martinez Mark Dino Casaba, Palye Baybay.
Fernandez Chris J. Ribucas. Poblacion Baybay.
Morales Nance Johannes Ramos, Bunga Baybay.
Godoy Raver Owen Valenzuela. Poblacion Baybay.
Mondala Delly James Villacorte, Poblacion Baybay.
Hinay Zaitan James Guades.
Expert.
Representing SPA, we also have Aubrey G. Amelia from Great Bend Estate, Barong, Tagalog. From the special program in sports, we have Princess Jonna May F. Pagpapanaw Department Head, Ma'am Berlan C. Roman.
Oh, asya na. Oh, mato ka. Hello, good morning.
Best in Araling Panlipunan. We have Lance Daniels, H. Esquire from Great Bend Science.
Hello, good morning.
We also have Jane Mary S. Sabinas from Grade 10 SK Barong, Tagalog. Farame L. Panyo from Grade 10 SKS Tacna.
Video lang daw.
The name of our alma mater and parish. We will strive to uphold its ideals and standards. And whatever we do and wherever we go, we will promise to fight always for what is just, what is right and what is proper. Today we pledge to dedicate our thoughts, words, and deeds to our alma mater, our country, and above all to God. So help us God.
Thank you, Aubrey. You may now put down your hands and please remain standing for the oath of alumni. May I request, on behalf of the Gordy Gloriosa State Board, our PNHS Alumni Association President, we have here, Ma'am Maria Socorro.
And junior high school. From Baybay National High School. We will solemnly swear that I will willingly and faithfully adhere to the Baybay National High School Alumni Association
I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Everybody, welcome to the Bye Bye National High School Alumni Association, and congratulations.
Muli na to, nak? Di pa. Dagan pa, day? Dagan pa. Ah, pipicture pa. Ay, ako sa